Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video I am going to share latest job openings in Mysore location. It is from Karnataka. Let us discuss one by one in detail. Firstly, there are many openings available from the Sri Gnaneshwari Vidya Samsthe. So it is located in Mysore, Hebbal first stage. It will be the location. So they have vacancies for the trained teachers with fluency in English is must for English medium school. So you need to apply within 8 days. So for these qualifications will be PUC and DED for arts and science students, and coming to Hindi and social science qualification will be BA and BED, and BSc BED for PCM and CBZ, and coming to CPED BA or BPED. So these are the qualification details to apply for the teacher vacancies. It will be available from the Sri Gnaneshwari Vidya Samsthe. So retired person can also eligible to apply for these positions. So if you have any queries regarding this job notification, you can approach them with the given contact numbers, and they have also provided here the email ID. So you can send your resume to the provided email ID, that is srignaneshwari.vidyasamsthe@gmail.com, and you can also check here with the address details. Next one, there are openings for the maintenance engineer position. So it is a Mysore based medium scale electromechanical and medical products manufacturing industry. So they are looking for an engineer to take care of maintenance of DG sets, compressors, pumps, air blowers, tool room machines, production equipment, furnaces, and automation projects, etc. And electrical or electronics diploma or degree with relevant experience is desirable. So interested candidates, you can send your resume to the provided mail ID, that is hr@glotronics.com. Next one, there are openings for the well-known manufacturing industry located at the Hoot Gully industrial area. So they have vacancies for the operators position, and also supervising engineer position is also available. So coming to operators positions, qualification will be the candidate must be a diploma or ITI holder with minimum 2 years of experience is required in relevant field in a manufacturing industry. And coming to supervising engineer position, engineering or diploma in mechanical or electrical with relevant 3 to 5 years of experience in machinery experience. So 3 to 5 years of experience is required for applying the supervising engineer position. So interested candidates, you can send your CV to the provided mail ID, and you can also approach them with the given contact number if you have any queries. So the mail ID is hrbachem689@gmail.com, and the number is 9845878648. Next one, there are openings for the office assistant, farm supervisors, and plumber electrician positions. So for office assistant position, you should know MS Office, and for farm supervisors position, they are giving preference to like should stay in farm. So you should need to stay in farm. So interested candidates, so please check with the notification provided here all the details, and you can also approach them with the given contact numbers if you have any queries. So if you are interested, you can send your resume to the provided mail ID, and the call between 11 a.m. to 5 p.m. Next one, there is a job opening available for assistant manager finance position. So it is for a leading company in Mysore, an industry leader in eco-friendly cleaning technologies. So six, a dynamic and result oriented CA inter RCA articles completed graduate with. So these are the qualification details for this position, like CA inter or CA articles completed graduate. So with the 2 to 4 years of experience is required to apply for this assistant manager finance position. So you please check with the all the details provided here, and so you need to handle accounts payable or receivables, BRS, invoicing, preparation of TDS and GST returns, MIS, and finalization of accounts. So if you have a previous experience also, so it will be an added advantage. So you please check with all the details, and if you are suitable to apply for this position, you can send your resume to the provided mail ID, that is careers78910@gmail.com. One, there are openings for the telecallers and counselors positions. So it is for fresher candidates. To apply for these positions, you can send your resume to the provided mail ID, that is sendcv2021@gmail.com, and they have also provided here the contact number to approach them. Next one, there are openings for the veg restaurant. So they requires the following personnel, like manager and civil engineer positions are available. So for each a vacancy, for each post one vacancy is available. Like firstly, for manager position, you should be having minimum 5 to 8 years of experience in hotel industry. And coming to civil engineer position, you should have done BE in civil engineering and also experience in construction. So interested candidates, you can send your resume to the provided mail ID, and you can also contact them with the given phone number for more detailed information. Next one, there is a job opening for the dynamic and experienced and creative male candidates for the marketing and marketing of mattresses in mattresses company based at Mysore. So they required male candidates for the positions available in their company. So it is located at Mysore location. So the age limit should be 18 to 40 years. So for more detailed information about this job notification, if you have any queries, and you can contact them with the given phone number, and you can also send your CV to the provided mail ID. That is, the mail ID is comfortsleepmysuru@gmail.com. Next one, there are openings available at a reputed hospital in Mysore. So they have openings for the insurance or TPA executive position and also nursing staff. So coming to insurance or TPA executive position, you should be having about 2 years of relevant experience. And coming to nursing staff, all specialities like with about 2 years of relevant experience is required to apply for this nursing staff. So for more detailed information, you can contact them with the given WhatsApp number, or else you can send your resume to the provided mail ID, that is sriks2000@gmail.com. Next one, there are openings for the salesman positions. Outdoor salesman required for bread company in Mysore. So experience in bakery or food products is necessary, and the sales is a must, and own vehicle is preferred for these positions. So if you have any queries, you can contact them with the given phone number, that is 84960999587. Next one, there are openings for the Bhaskar Hot Center. There are many vacancies available from the Hot Center, like receptionist, marketing or PRO, staff nurses, laboratory technician, and pharma assistant positions. Firstly, for receptionist position, degree or PUC is the qualification, and marketing or PRO position, they required a male candidates, and degree or PUC is the qualification details. And coming to staff nurses, it is for female candidates, GNM or ANM is the qualification. And fourth one, for laboratory technician position, CMLT or DMLT is the qualification. Next one, coming to pharma assistant position, PUC or any degree is required to apply for this position. So if you have any queries, you can contact them with the given contact numbers. One, there are openings available for supermarket. It is located at the Kovampu Nagar, Mysore location. So they have vacancies for the cashier positions. It is for both male or female candidates with the minimum 3 years of experienced candidates. So they are looking for these candidates. So they have also vacancies for the sales girls with the minimum 3 years of experience is required. So interested candidates, you can send your resume to the provided mail id, that is hrbachem689@gmail.com, and you can also check here with the contact number. There are openings for the Gnanachuti Vidyalaya Birhundi location, so near Bogadi location. So they have vacancies for the positions of teachers. So qualification will be DED, BEd, BA, BSc. So interested candidates, you can contact them with the given contact numbers for more detailed information. There are openings for the openings from canteen, experienced juice and tea counter buy is required, and South Indian cook and cashier in Kuvempu Nagar location. So they required these candidates for the positions provided here. So for more detailed information, you can contact them with the given contact number, that is 8904044305. There are openings for the pharmacist or medical store in charge position, stores at Brindavan Extension and JP Nagar, Mysore. So this is the contact number. So you can contact them with this phone number for more detailed information. There are openings from Excel Power Electronics Private Limited. It is located in Hebbal Industrial Area, Mysore. So they have openings available for operators. Qualification will be SSLC pass or fail, and 20 vacancies are available for these positions. So you can walk in with your biodata, marks cards and Aadhaar card, and also bank passbook at the provided address details, and you can also contact them with the given contact numbers. So age limit should be below 40 years. So you can walk into the interview between 10 a.m. to 12:30 p.m. and also from 2 p.m. to 4:30 p.m. One, there are openings from SP Enviro Labs and consultants. So they have openings for the field chemist position at Nanjangur, Mysore location. So for this position, minimum qualification will be BSc. So for more detailed information, and if you want to apply for this position, you can contact them with the given contact number for more details. And the number is 7674026544. There are openings for delivery boys, so two positions are available. So for more detailed information about this notification, you can contact them with the given phone number, that is 88610 That's it in this video, guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job. And if you have any queries, please comment in the comment section, and please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.